Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best wall and tabletop picture frames is probably one of the most important elements in home decor, as it showcases our most cherished memories and moments. Today, I'll be sharing with you the top 5 best picture frames that will elevate your space and display your photos beautifully. Now let's take a look at the top 5 best picture frames we choose for you. Number 5. Display your memories in style with a bulk set of 5 picture frames in the same sizes, perfect for pictures, 11x17 with matte or 12x18 without matte. These frames are made of light but firm materials and have HD plastic covers. You can rest assured that they are safe for your family, even if they fall to the ground. With a spring-type action to remove the backing, these frames can be easily hung, either horizontally or vertically, to suit your space. Not only do these 12x18 frames have a simple and classic design for any home or office decor, but they also make heartfelt gifts for your loved one. Rest assured that your frames will arrive safely, as they are wrapped carefully for shipping. Say goodbye to the worry of receiving damaged products. What we like: if you have multiple pictures to display, whether with or without a mat, the UpSimple's 12x18 picture frame set of 5 is the perfect choice. With its easy mounting feature, you can hang your pictures horizontally or vertically. It's a great option for anyone looking to decorate their home or office. What people say.
The frames are attractive. They fit my 13x19 movie posters precisely. Assembly is minimal and easy. The transparent cover is thin, flexible, precisely cut and undamaged. The backing is rigid, strong material, not packing box cardboard, and the 10 frame attachments holding the backing, picture and transparent image protector are easy to use, secure, etc. Okay, let's get real for a sec. These frames aren't going to be hanging in any galleries anytime soon, but guess what? For what you'd usually shell out on just the sales tax for a fancy frame, you snag yourself 6 of these bad boys. That's a steal if I've ever seen one. I bought these frames to use on watercolors that I am working on. I have framed one of them and it looks great. Even though they are all plastic, the glass comes with peel-off cellophane on both sides so that there is no risk of scratches. The plastic also makes it light and easy to hang. I am pleased with the purchase and the value was exceptional at $20 for 5 frames.
Number 4. Display your cherished memories in style with this sleek black 11x14 frame. Made of engineered wood and shatter-resistant glass, this frame provides a clear view of your photos. This gallery-style frame features sturdy construction to keep your photos safe and secure. Hang your 8x10-inch pictures with matte or 11x14 without matte in both horizontal or vertical formats. Order with confidence, knowing that your frame will arrive safely, thanks to our exclusive packaging. What we like? If you're looking for a high-quality frame that comes with a mat and hanging hardware, the American Flat 11x14 black picture frame is the one for you. Its shatter-resistant glass ensures a clear view of your photo, while the durable gallery-style frame keeps everything in place. Whether you want to display an 8x10-inch picture with the mat or an 11x14-inch picture without the mat, this frame has got you covered. What people say.
A quality frame with a nice mat included for a reasonable price. Also, it was packaged well. This is a really nice wooden frame with a glass insert. Arrived quickly, in pristine condition. Packaging was fine and an excellent value. I used it to reframe some artwork for the powder room walls and the piece looks great. Finding a frame with these precise dimensions was challenging, but this 11x11-inch picture frame exceeded expectations, offering high quality at a great price. Its packaging was excellent, ensuring it arrived in flawless condition. The durable, clear, shatter-resistant glass, combined with the frame's exact sizing, makes it an ideal choice for beautifully showcasing memories.
Number 3. Easily display your favorite birthday parties, graduations, family vacations, and more in this stylish collage frame. Made of durable plastic with a sleek black finish and overlapping frames, this collage frame will add a modern touch to any room. With 12 openings, you can showcase 6 4x6-inch and 6 6x4-inch photos in one convenient frame. Featuring sawtooth hangers on the back, this frame can be easily hung vertically or horizontally on your wall. Measuring 18x23 inches, this collage frame is the perfect size to make a statement in any space. What we like: if you want to showcase multiple memories in one frame, the Melanco 12 opening collage frame is the perfect choice. Its bold design and overlapping individual frames add a contemporary touch to your space. With 12 openings, you can display a mix of 4x6-inch and 6x4-inch photos. Whether you want to hang it vertically or horizontally, this frame is sure to catch everyone's attention. What people say.
As described, durable, easy to change pictures, looks good. Very cool. Simple to remove back and place photos. I like the way it looks with all the photos. I bought 2 sets of 2 sizes. The one with 9 and the one with 12. I found the with 9 to be better quality.
Number 2. Our photo frames are crafted from MDF wood, ensuring durability and eco-friendliness. Keep your precious photos safe from dust, moisture, and scratches for years to come. Installing our 4x6 frames is a breeze with the turn buttons that allow for easy opening and insertion of pictures. Hang them on a wall or place them on a table without any hassle or finger injuries. Our frames are designed to fit either a 3.5x5 photo with a mat or a 4x6 photo without the mat. Preserve your cherished memories in style with our versatile sizing options. Looking for a beautiful and versatile gift? Our high-quality 4x6 photo frames are the perfect choice for eclectic prints, housewarmings, weddings, birthdays, and more. Ideal for framing family photos, art, collectibles, or certificates. Rest assured that your 4x6 frames will arrive safely thanks to our protective packaging. Contact us if you encounter any quality issues. What we like. If you're looking for a durable and eco-friendly option, the Picrete 4x6 picture frame set of 12 is the one for you. Made of MDF wood, these frames protect your photos from dust, moisture, and scratches. With easy installation and the option to hang them horizontally or vertically, these frames are versatile for any wall mount. They also make a beautiful and practical gift for various occasions. What people say.
The frames are sturdy enough and nice looking. I also really like that these don't have glass, but a thin piece of plastic instead. I've got a few small children toddlers, so I always like more practical and less breakable stuff. I also like the notches on the back that keep the backing in. They kind of spring, so I feel like they stay in place better. The plexi has good clarity and these are very lightweight overall. They're not the most sturdy frames, but I assumed that would be the case given how many frames you are getting for the price. I'd say that it's overall a good value if you're just framing some inexpensive prints and don't want the weight of the glass. I think this 12-pack of frames is a great value. The slim black frame is very modern and clean looking. I was able to put the entire magazine inside the frame, which is exactly what I was hoping to do. It worked perfectly and looks beautiful on my wall.
Number 1. Crafted from MDF wood with high-definition glass, this farmhouse photo frame boasts burnished distressed white accents that complement any wall. Easily showcase multiple 4x6 photos with the clip system on the back, perfect for horizontal wall mounting in various spaces like the living room, bedroom, gallery, office, or bar. This beautiful picture frame makes a perfect gift for Christmas, Thanksgiving, Mother's Day, Father's Day, birthday, anniversary, or any special occasion. With dimensions of 7.08L x 5.51W x 0.68 inches, this frame perfectly fits 4x6 photos, providing a stylish and practical way to display memories. Enhance the aesthetic of your space with this farmhouse photo frame, adding a touch of charm and elegance to any room. What we like? If you're a fan of the farmhouse style, the cherished 4x6 wall hanging picture frames collage is a must-have. With its distressed white accents and high-quality MDF wood, this frame adds a rustic touch to any wall. The clip system makes it easy to place your photos, and its size is perfect for displaying multiple 4x6 pictures. Whether it's for your living room, bedroom, or office, this frame is a great choice. What people say.
Perfect for displaying old postcards. Nicely distressed, hangs straight, nice closures on back side hold the cards in place. Very pleased. I was really impressed with this. My bath is done in farmhouse boho and this was perfect to place pics I took of my grandkids in an outdoor bath time photo session. The frame suits the decor perfectly and is made well. Looks great, beach pics. Look great in then Distrees is white.
You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.